Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Tetrified Us. I am Madhurima Biswas and this is my sister
Priya Biswas.
Today for the first time she is gonna try doing makeup on me, which is very exciting for her obviously, but for me, oh my god, I don't know what's gonna happen. So without any further ado, let's get started.
Now I'm going to apply the foundation. Now I'm going to use the sponge to blend it.
What kind of sound it is making?
Shut up.
Do your work.
Now I'm going to use the concealer. Now I'm going to use this powder. So now I'm going to use this palette for eyeshadow. I'm going to use this shade. No, I have to choose the shade. Why on that there is two shimmer shades? Me love shimmer and there is no shimmer. There is no foundation on there. Is it even recording? Oh no. Why wasn't I talking even? Magic it. So now I'm going to use this shade. So now I'm going to use another palette for the shimmer shades. I'm going to use this shade, Legendary.
You can use your hands too.
But me is going to be clean. কিছুই তো পড়ে না ভাই
ব্রাশ দিয়ে পড়বে না জন্যই তো বললাম
ঠিক আছে You know what? My hands are better. It's a whole mess. Big mess. It's a big mess. And you are going to regret it, not me, because me is going to make fun of you. Stop laughing on my talking. Better. Now me will not make a whole lot of mess because me does not want to embarrass myself, insult myself. I'm running out of words. My hand means my finger is a big mess. Wait, it's a big mess on your eyes too. Me is done.
Can I open my eyes?
Yes. So now I'm going to use this shade. What? It's looking good. Kind of funny. Doing a whole mess on your eyes. Done. It's a whole mess on that side. Now I'm going to use a kajal.
Don't poke my eyes out.
Me might. We're not good at it. So, it's not even working. It's being like so wrinkly and not cooperating with me. Stand this side. The card. Oh no, me was going to. It's done. Nothing can be more beautiful than that. Now I'm going to use a blush. I don't know how to put it. Me is going to. Me thinks I'm putting highlighter. Bitter. So now I'm going to use a highlighter. Khole na. See what did I do? Done. It's not putting in. Oh. It's done. So now I'm going to use a lipstick. I think I'm bad at it. Why is your lip so small?
I don't have Kylie Jenner lips.
So I'm done. He's not doing makeup on her anymore.
Why?
It's hard. One word explanation, it's hard.
So this is the look she created. As you can see, my eyes are looking really weird and my face is glowing like a LED bulb. But overall, for a first timer, I guess it's pretty good. So yeah, it's okay. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So we will be signing off. If you liked our video, please like, share and comment and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. And okay, bye bye, see you in our next video.